Today we're featuring the new 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE that seats 7, gets up to 27 miles per gallon, and includes Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and more, all designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. To ensure you can see clearly at all times, the Highlander comes with LED projector headlights with automatic high beams, LED strip daytime running lights, and high-output LED fog lights. The color-keyed door handles integrate the Smart Key remote keyless entry system with push-button start, liftgate function, remote illuminated entry, and more. You'll enjoy the convenience of the Highlander's height-adjustable power liftgate with jam protection, and the LED taillights and LED center high-mount stoplight will give you fast braking warning. The color-keyed and heated power outside mirrors with turn signal and blind spot warning indicators include rear cross traffic alert. In addition, with Toyota's Safety Sense, you get the Highlander's pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and many more features to keep you and your family safe. Once inside, you'll notice the power tilt-slide moonroof with sunshade and one-touch open-close with jam protection. The 60/40 split fold-flat third-row seats helps you maximize cargo area configurations, and rear seating options are also available. This Highlander really does put the utility in sport utility vehicle with second-row fold-down captain's chairs and fold-down inboard armrests. The front cabin includes a soft-touch roll-top center console with removable utility tray, a soft-touch in-dash split-level shelf, auto-dimming rear-view mirror with HomeLink, Wi-Fi, a 7-inch color LCD multi-information display, and an 8-inch Toyota infotainment screen. The leather-trimmed shift knob and heated tilt telescopic leather steering wheel includes hands-free controls for cruise control, phone and audio, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM, and Amazon Alexa. This Highlander Limited also includes a heated 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support and heated 4-way power adjustable front passenger seat. The Highlander XLE is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 8-speed automatic transmission. In fact, traditional gas or hybrid models are both available. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. So do yourself and your family a favor. Drive the new 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE and never look back. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.